Look, that could be us busy. No, on the fucking little scooter. I'll be the front though.
You gotta keep your hands out like this.
Oh yeah.
Move it immediately, or they'll drag it out of where you parked.
They're trying to try, bro. You might as well go back. Oh, you are? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like 40 minutes. I'll give 40 minutes. 40?
Oh, Aaron's there.
Damn, so I got kicked out for this? That's fucked up.
He was all mad, dude. I'm sorry.
That's all I can bring, all right? That's all I got. That's all I got. You know the Hondas always bring the attention for some reason. Because they used to build show Hondas back in the day before they were popular.
What are you talking about? He still does.
He said he could build a faster street car than you can, bro. Ooh, he did right here.
Yeah, come on, your drag race. Let's just only try.
You see that? And when we get it to that point, so we're feeding timing into it, get it to that point, we pull all the timing out of it to maintain. We really want to do that. We can keep the timing in it to get it up there. So then pulling it out that early, you can see they keep coming to and they pull it out. So like you can see that here's kind of what we're doing. You can see where we're at in this table. It's rising, and then it goes over and boosts, right? And then the RPM starts to fall because we're telling it to, right? Well, look, we're at good timing, and we fall into bad timing, even though we're not at our target boost yet. So we don't want to do that. We want to move this over more because we were telling it to fall. Like, it didn't fall on its own. We told it when it got to 52, as the boost went up, to go over like that. Big engines do lots of cool stuff, and they don't care.
I can tell you, it does not like negative timing at all.
No,
We
sure
tried that, and that thing was fucking, it was pissed off. Like,
Right.
it did not want to do anything. So.
Yeah, I think that simple change will get you where you want to be. That's where I would start.
Okay.
Come on, my man. You said,
That's fucking awesome. I didn't know that. Team outfit. Shit. Where's my money?
C539. If that is yours, again, you got 30 seconds. seconds from right now to move it, or we're sending the 30 seconds to move that Tesla,
It's the next class out.
we will.
So it needs to be up here lane 9 like 5 minutes. All right.
And, please have that be.
Go, Jessica. Go, go.
Where you headed?
Huh?
Where you headed?
Get the car. Over here? Yeah. I think a flashlight. You ready?
You're just happening a mile away. Bigger than Texas. Last minute.
Tower and Jason Miller. Who you have? All right.
How you doing, buddy?
One pair. And behind them is going to be street cars. So I'm just going to have you be my designated my classes are. You just make till we're done. So the 2 lights for the last.
What made this event is the engine in the Mark IV Supra.
Last pair of TJCs floating into the water.
James Rupert, Larry Brandon.
We're going to drag, so hold him here.
So I saw. Pull the chutes out, and he still went number 1, 720. Baby, so this is an exhibition pair of cars, yes sir. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, what happened? Fucked up?
Okay.
Oh, shit. Not a bad little pass.
No, it wasn't. How did it feel? Good? Huh? Good? Yeah, it actually felt good. Like,
What was it, 60?
it was shitty.
Oh, yeah, take it off.
It was shit.
Dude, when did you let off? Because you're like at 160 what?
Oh, I know. I let off like early.
I was like, golly.
Early. So yeah. So we made a hit yesterday. Obviously we waited like what 6-7 hours for to make a pass or whatever. So rushed to the lanes, get everything ready, and you know, went down. I noticed something was wrong when we put it on the trans brake, you know, to basically spool up and bump in. So it was a little lazy. And then from the videos, looks like there's a bunch of smoke that came out from the passenger side. We thought at first we just blew the valve cover gasket, but instead, the further we looked into it, obviously that's exactly what happened. It looks like we mushroomed the top of the, yeah. So it's fucked, obviously. So it looks like we're done for, as far as racing, we're done for 2K.
The show must go on.
The show must go on. I'm a little bummed out about it, but this is racing. This is what happens. So it is what it is.
We got a Lambo.
Still got a Lambo.
Yeah, you'd be
You
fine.
live to fight another day. Come on, Greg.
But you live to fight another day.
But I do want to say, you know, obviously, thank you for all the sponsors. You know, Pixelworks, Vibrant, Turbo Smart, Haltech, and thanks to Nick. Nick's actually here. He helped us out with a little issue with the trans brake and you know, getting the spool up a little bit quicker and stuff. So I really appreciate Nick Delgado from Pro Speed. You know, the tune and stuff, and just, you know, he's here as well. So you know, everybody's here. CSF, XS Power. I mean, all of you guys, like, you know, Grayson, Armature. You know, again, we wouldn't be here. So they don't have awards for they show. I definitely would have took that shit. Pretty much, this is our very first weld job here at TX2K. This is from the T1 jet, so we're just trying to help them out so they can get back, you know, back to racing and stuff. So.
That's what I bought.
Well, I mean, those are good too. For the
45.
Let's go. Keep it safe for drivers. Keep it safe.
I see it.
Sorry, Ernie.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Whoa. Right here. We just gotta